Hey, how you doing, folks? It's Rich Guz, and you're at Hard Knock News, man. Well, that tropical storm that came through the Northeast is pretty good, man. I'll walk around and show you guys a little bit of what happened, man. Our whole state got rocked pretty hard. It was tough coming home from work today, from in the work truck, driving a tractor trailer. Let's see, guys. Hope you can see this. There's a tree. Garbage cans knocked over. Shit's all the way up there. Fucking everything on the porch, man. Check that out, guys. My little gnomes, man. My little gnomes made it, guys. This is my little garden, man. I like to play around with it. I've taken a lot out of the pool already, guys, but it's hard to make out. But come over here. Generally got pretty lucky. My neighbor next door, my neighbor Kurt, man, real good dude. Just barely missed his pool. It goes all the way into his yard. It's a pretty good sized tree. There's his pool over there. Got a small tree behind my shed. Shit rocked us, guys. You know, you get hit with this COVID bullshit in a state like Connecticut, and see, you got a tree down behind here. So, a lot of cleanup. I got lucky. More of a hassle than anything, you know. I just got the pool working nice. But I'll tell you guys, crazy. Most of the states without power. A lot of us. I think the last count it was over 500,000 within my area without power. I'm lucky. I got underground electric, and I'm doing pretty good, guys. But you know, these politicians, man. These blue state politicians. Shame on them, man. They had to be arrested for what they're doing to our states. All right, guys. You have a great night. Oops, sorry for the fast-moving camera. You can see it's still a little breezy. All right, guys. Hope you're all safe. Have a good night. It's Rich Guz, and I'm out.